Charles Darwin was an English naturalist and geologist who is best known for his theory of evolution through natural selection. Born in 1809 in Shrewsbury, England, Darwin was the fifth of 6 children in a wealthy and well-educated family. His father, Robert Darwin, was a successful physician, and his mother, Susanna Darwin, was a daughter of the wealthy Wedgwood pottery family. Darwin's early education was at Shrewsbury School, where he was not particularly interested in academics, and was known for being shy and introverted. However, he did show an interest in natural history and spent much of his free time collecting and studying plants and animals. In 1825, Darwin began studying medicine at Edinburgh University, but quickly realized that it was not for him and decided to pursue a career in natural history. In 1827, Darwin began studying at Christ's College, Cambridge, where he became interested in the study of natural history and geology. He graduated in 1831 with a degree in theology, but his true passion was natural history. After graduation, Darwin was offered a position as a naturalist on the HMS Beagle, a ship that was embarking on a 5-year voyage around the world. The HMS Beagle voyage was a turning point in Darwin's life, as it exposed him to a wide variety of plants, animals, and geological formations. He collected thousands of specimens and made detailed observations of the natural world. He also read extensively, including the works of geologist Charles Lyell and economist Thomas Malthus, which would later influence his theory of evolution. After returning from the Beagle voyage in 1836, Darwin began to work on his theory of evolution. He spent the next 20 years collecting and analyzing data and developing his ideas. In 1859, he published his groundbreaking work, On the Origin of Species, in which he presented his theory of evolution through natural selection. The book was an instant success and sparked a heated debate about the origins of life. Darwin's theory of evolution through natural selection proposed that species change over time through a process of natural selection. He argued that organisms that are better adapted to their environment are more likely to survive and reproduce, passing on their advantageous traits to their offspring. Over time, these advantageous traits accumulate, resulting in the evolution of new species. Darwin's theory of evolution was met with resistance from many religious and scientific communities, who saw it as a threat to traditional beliefs about the origins of life. However, Darwin's ideas were supported by many scientists and eventually became widely accepted. Today, the theory of evolution is considered one of the most important scientific theories and is supported by a vast amount of scientific evidence. Darwin's work had a profound impact on the scientific community and society as a whole. His ideas about evolution and natural selection helped to reshape our understanding of the natural world and our place in it. His work also influenced many other fields, including genetics, anthropology, and ecology. Darwin died on April 19, 1882, at the age of 73. He was buried in Westminster Abbey alongside other prominent figures in science and literature. Today, his legacy lives on through his scientific contributions and the ongoing debate about the implications of his ideas. Charles Darwin was a pioneering naturalist and geologist who made significant contributions to the field of evolutionary biology. His theory of evolution through natural selection has had a profound impact on the scientific community and society as a whole. His work continues to inspire new research and thinking about the natural world and our place in it. Charles Darwin is considered one of the most important figures in the history of science, and his legacy will continue to shape our understanding of the world for generations.